All right, guys. So what I wanted to do today is talk about e-manuals online. You guys know that you can get OEM specific access to service manuals if you're working with a specific brand. Where that can get difficult though is if I was working at a dealership and was working on one specific brand all the time, I would probably go with that OEM and their service information, right? But if you're in a third party shop where like I used to do, where I was doing mobile maintenance, where I could be working on 5 different manufacturers in one day, I would want to try to find a place where I could find the mix of those guys in one spot. And this is the spot I have found that gives me the most success at finding what I'm looking for, and that's eManual. eManual's online. I'll put the links in the description, and of course, there'll be some pop-ups in this video. When you first get there, what you're going to see when you first get on this screen, you're going to notice that right here you get a free ebook on auto repair basics. It says sign up, receive our free ebook on auto repair basics. If you're a DIY and not a professional technician, might be a good option for you. It's going to give you a lot of basic info, but I'm just going to X out of it because I already have this book because I already subscribed and got it, and it's a pretty good book. So X out of this guy. And when we X out of this guy, I got to bounce back and forth between windows here because, as most of my viewers know, I am not the most tech savvy person in the world when it comes to using different things. So I'm going to X out of this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here. This is the start your free trial now. So you have a 3-day free trial period, which means that this is really good. You work on a lot of different stuff. And you can see over here on the side, cars, ag, industrial, construction, engines. I mean, they have a little bit of everything that they have manuals for on here. So if you're sign up for the 3-day free trial, give it a test run. If you're finding what you need to find on all your projects that you're working on, then you'll know that maybe it's a good deal for you. If you're like, I don't know, not happy with it at that point, which I don't see why you wouldn't be, then you can just end it after your free trial, right? So the free trial, you just put in your first name, your last name, your email address, and then create an account. And then, of course, it wants the card detail. So this part's really important. When you put your card details in, make sure that you know that after 3 days, like most things that offer you a free trial, you're not going to get that automatically. It's going to say, okay, free trial period is over, and it's going to charge your card for the new part. I have codes in here that I will add to the website that will take you directly to the free trial page. And then I have some other codes that I will post in here that if you decide that you do want to move forward, you can cancel the free trial. And then I have a link that will open you a new account with some promo codes, or I even have some coupon codes that you can put in here when you get to this point. All this stuff will be in the description. So this would be if you were opening a new account, which I already have an account. I've already downloaded a manual that I want to share with you guys. All right, so this guy right here, this is the Cummins. This is an old Cummins for some of you younger guys. This is the first engine that I learned how to work on diesels. This and a Cummins A55, which is basically almost the same engine, I think. But so, like I said before, if I worked on something different every day and this came into my shop and I didn't have access to the Cummins website to get this, which is an expensive subscription, I could open up this manual and it comes in an Adobe right here that I'm able to open. Here's the cover page. I go here, it gives me all the different stuff on it. This manual covers everything exactly the same as the manual, gives me my list of special tools, and it will give me all the same stuff that I would need. Right now, it's all going through the special tools, exhaust system, exploded assembly, how to take it off, how to clean it, how to put it back together. You guys know how service manuals work. You don't need me to go through those details for you, but this is why I like eManual Online, is not only do I get the versatility of it, but I get the ease of it. And in Adobe format, if I download it, I can save it, I can I can do the control F and find different things in the book. Uh, so all I really need is a laptop and either a Wi-Fi or a cellular connection. And this will even work on your phone too. If you just go use your browser on your phone, you can do this. Again, I'm not going to make a long video about this and go through how to use a service manual, but I did just want to show you the versatility of it, right? If I went from this to a Timco street sweeper as my next job, I could find a service manual in there probably for a Timco street sweeper. I have messed around on the website and tried to trip it up to try to see if I could think of something I've worked on in the past that they might not have anything on, and I haven't been able to find one yet. I would encourage you guys to please try this site out, do the free trial. Let me know what you think of it. Comment in the comments down here. Let me know what you saw that you liked, what worked for you, what kind of vehicle or engine or transmission or whatever it might have been that you looked up. I just want to know. I'm curious to see how it works for other people, but I know it works great for me. And so this is highly recommended, especially for those of you who working outside of a dealership environment where you might be working on a bunch of different stuff, or maybe you have a lot of projects at home with a whole lot of vehicles. I got friends that do restorations and resto mods that have 4 or 5 different cars that they're working on at the same time. Really useful. So check this out. Check out the links in the description. Check out the links that I'm going to put in the video. That way you can try the free trial. Try to see what promo codes I have for you to save some money when you do subscribe to it later on. And again, I love hearing back from you guys. Let me know what you think of these products. Thank you.